Can you see the food? I'm back with another mukbang. Oh man, I got some Five Guys today. You ain't no writing on the bag and then you just trust me, it's Five Guys. I got some fries. It's just the Cajun fry. Hey, I'm sorry if you can't see me. You see the fries, that's all you need to see is the food and the fries. Same thing, I'm tripping. Trust me, it's Five Guys. I got a burger wrap. I ain't cook this at the house and get it and just eat it in the truck. I done ate. I ain't seen my grace yet. Yeah, this Five Guys. Apologize, I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and say grace. If I can find my phone, we can do the Snapchat. And we gonna get it in, man. Man, I'm happy I'm doing the video today. Come get you some. Hey man, I ain't got that much time today. I gotta go to work. Rushing. I'ma chill. I got some time. I got time. Say what up, KINFOK. Yeah, we got the Five Guys today. We got that bacon double with some tomatoes, lettuce, ketchup, some onions, and something else on there, and mayo. Then we got the fries in the bag, man. We doing it. It's a truck bang today, people, or a car bang, whatever you want to call it. Ain't seen you in a minute. It's all good. Go on over to YouTube, man. Come get you some. That scene kind of rush. Say what up, KINFOK. Yeah, we got the Five Guys today. We got that bacon double with some tomatoes, lettuce, ketchup, some onions, and something else on there, and mayo. Then we got the fries in the bag, man. We doing it. It's a truck bang today, people, or a car bang, whatever you want to call it. Ain't seen you in a minute. It's all good. Go on over to YouTube, man. Come get you some. That's delicious. I ain't gonna eat all these fries. If you eat Five Guys and you eat all the fries, you got an appetite on you. I almost called you greedy. You better juicy. You got to trust your Coke Zero. This burger was $17 with the fries and guns. That's ridiculous. I said, who y'all got back there on the grill, Jesus? Hey, Jesus, put some extra cheese on mine, please. Good grief. Who want fries, Moses? Moses, I want my fries zesty. Good Lord. $17. Obama introduced the world of Five Guys, and everybody that worked there lost their mind. I bet the burger used to be $8. With fries and everything. And that the first black president stop at Five Guys and get all his homeboys something to eat. Oh, we going up. I'm crazy. That's crazy. I hope y'all can see me, cause I look a little dark. I look a little dark. I had to put some enhancements on this video. I had to put some Sammy Sosa action on this video. I hope y'all don't hear the air conditioner either, cause You know how I sweat. Mmm. That's pretty good. Ain't worth no $17, but it's good. It was either this or a burrito. But something in my head say, Five Guys burgers and fries. I was gonna do a hot dog, but I'm gonna do that later in the week. Tired too. I had to finish moving. I know y'all talking about me moving. I'm sorry. Well, my day one, my truths. Let's stop by. Let's talk about me moving. Tired of talking about me moving. Tired, man. I'm gonna do a video. I talked to a fellow Mukbang last night. He got me hyped. He got a plan. I said, I'm with it, pal. I need to move where you at so you can work on this plan every day. Shout out to Snoopy Eats, man. He about to do some big thing. Big thing. So I said, man, let me do a mukbang today before I go to work. Hey, man, I need some editing help, man. I need somebody to teach me some things. You know what I'm saying? I don't need nobody to hold my hand. Man, that look dark. It look even darker. I'm sorry. Yeah, this bootleg, I just be winging it. Here we go. I just need somebody. I need some editing, man. Deal with me if you want to help. Speaking of damn, look here. I get so nervous. Who know Instagram and say such and such would like to send you a message. I be like, oh Lord. What this gonna be about? I be nervous, but it be fun. I'm doing that way. So I had to delete it anyway. It'll be fun, you hear me? Some people talk, some people just flat out send me pictures. Man, it's ridiculous. My heart starts beating fast every time I get a message. I say, oh Lord, what this finna be? I mean, you can send that type of stuff, but if you can edit, that'd be even better. Just show me some things, please. I don't know what'll happen if I ever get a girlfriend again. I had to explain some stuff. Like, look, I can't just deny these people because these my kinfolk. Whether they exotic or not, that's the word I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use exotic. You know, I can't just shut them down. I got to see what the kinfolk want. I got to see what the kinfolk want. They'll either accept it or deny it, just like them DMs. It's crazy. And I don't know who I got some people call me handsome. Some people just call me straight up ugly. Talking about I don't feel to be hurt. Oh, you so handsome. Then they be like, boy, you look like you suck smoke. Cause you so ugly. I like, man, y'all tripping. What made you do that? What made me take a time out of your life to come to my page and call me ugly? Good Lord. And there's a bunch of them. I should get about two a week, 2 a month. I'm lying. I'll get about 8 a month. And everybody be calling me high. Excuse me. I don't smoke nothing. And I drink on occasion. I look that bad? Good Lord. I'm tripping. I ain't even throwing the food, I'm just taking bites. It's a quick mukbang. Mukbang. Truck bang. Car bang. That's what it is. But it's in the truck. It's in the truck. Alright, I'm making good time. Yeah, give me some gum. People gonna think I'm mustard. These onions. We talk to them like, hey, you mustard. I ain't got time to explain to them I be eating onions. Man, I don't know where this burger went. But this is the last bite. Let me get all this cheese off this paper. And you know what the last bite is? You see me? The last bite is the best bite ever. Yeah. Yeah. I got a little party to go to this weekend. It's gonna be a surprise. Y'all gonna see it. Until next week sometime. I don't know why I wait till the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Share with everybody. Please. And then they say, y'all be truthful with me. I know I'm petty, but I don't actually did it, do I? I hope I don't. I don't know how my horse, I'm the same every video. I'm just done taking a mess. Come on. You acting out up there. You ain't got but 2,000 subscribers. I don't care. I ain't saying nothing about that. If you watching this, it's you I'm talking to. Oh, so you ain't looked at my video, huh? I appreciate that. You helped me out. Man, they be tripping. Where all this hate come from in the world? Okay, I'm done with them. I was gonna talk about something else, but I forget. Did I say I love y'all? I do. I love y'all. I love y'all infinitely. Yeah, I said it. So what? Give me a hug. And people like, what in the world is he doing over there in that truck? Talking to the kinfolk. Love y'all, man. Love y'all. Might see y'all tomorrow too. Who knows, man? I gotta get it pushing though. I ain't got no choice. Like I say, I got hike last night. We got plans. I hope to do like 5 videos this week, but I don't know. I don't know, man. Hang with me. Don't give up on me. I'm coming. Ooh. I ain't say that. I love y'all, man. Hope y'all like the video. If you like the video, like the video. You know what I'm saying? Just a little quick mukbang. I see you tomorrow. How about that? How about that? I just found out this is all in the way because I couldn't see nothing because it's so dark. Look, I got a shirt off. I'm so dark, but it's all good. Shout out to Chef, man. He's a supporter. He like one of the only ones in my family looking at videos. It's all good though. It's all good. Shout out to him. Shout out to Snoopy Eats. Shout out to Shay Snacks. Shout out to She Grub. Shout out to Eat With Us, man. Shout out to everybody, man. Who else, man, to be trying to conversate? If I miss you, I'll get you next time. I love y'all, man. See y'all tomorrow.